Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
JavaScript. Module 8, Introduction to Node.js. What is Node.js? Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to execute JavaScript code outside of a web browser. It was developed by Ryan Dahl in 2009 and is built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. Node.js enables server-side scripting, which means you can use JavaScript to write server-side code. Key features of Node.js. 1. Asynchronous and event-driven. Node.js is designed to handle asynchronous operations, which means it can perform non-blocking I/O operations. This allows it to handle multiple requests concurrently, making it ideal for scalable network applications. 2. Single-threaded but highly scalable. Despite being single-threaded, Node.js uses event-driven architecture, which allows it to handle many connections simultaneously. This makes it highly scalable for applications like web servers and real-time communication services. 3. Fast execution. Node.js is built on the V8 engine, which compiles JavaScript directly to machine code. This results in faster execution of JavaScript code. 4. Rich ecosystem. Node.js has a vast ecosystem of open-source libraries and modules available through NPM, Node Package Manager. This makes it easier to add functionality and develop complex applications. 5. Cross-platform. Node.js is compatible with major operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it versatile and accessible for developers working on different platforms. 6. Core modules. Node.js comes with a set of core modules that provide basic functionalities needed to build web applications and services. Some of the commonly used core modules include 1. HTTP, used to create web servers and handle HTTP requests and responses. 2. File system, FS. Provides functions to interact with the file system, such as reading and writing files. 3. Path. Utilities for working with file and directory paths. 4. Events. Implements an event-driven architecture, allowing developers to create and handle custom events. 5. Stream. Handles streaming data, enabling operations like reading from or writing to a file, network communication, etc. Use cases of Node.js. Node.js is widely used for various types of applications, including web servers and APIs. Building web servers and RESTful APIs to handle client requests and deliver data. Real-time applications. Developing real-time applications like chat apps, online gaming, and collaboration tools using WebSockets. Microservices. Creating microservices architecture where small, independent services communicate over a network. Command line tools. Building CLI tools that automate tasks and workflows for developers.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.